other bedrooms are pretty straightforward. Cosmetic, floor redone, paint redone. Windows are coming in actually today as we speak. Walk-in closets, and we're good to go. So that's one bedroom, nice sized bedrooms, really big and bright. Here's another one. Pretty straightforward. And these two bedrooms up here have a full-size bath all to themselves. Look at this beauty. Oh my God. That looks so good. We're gonna glaze all this pink tile, glaze the tub, replace the toilet, replace the vanity, and glaze the shower. It has a tub and a shower. Look at that tile. Oh my God. Insane. Beautiful. New vanity, new light fixture, and we're good to go. That's a full-size bathroom. That's nice. Hallways get done. All the walls get repainted. Wallpaper comes off. Keep the ceiling consistent like the living room downstairs. And we're headed to the basement.